You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Japanese. In Japanese, the pronunciation is as Ikebana. This is the art of flower arrangement. Ikebana, Ikebana. There is no particular stress on any particular syllable in Japanese. Of course, do you know how it's pronounced in English? Let's go through. There are different pronunciations. Ikebana. Some say it as Ikebana. How is it? Ikebana. Ikebana. Some say it as Ikebana as well. Ikebana or Ikebana in English, Ikebana in Japanese. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.